Hello again. We're at A&W.
We are starving.
We were at Target and then
Target, then back to my old place, and then Ace Hardware, and then back to Target, and then we decided we were hungry, and now we're back to the house where we're eating, then unpack this car that you see is now full
full of a bunch of things.
Full of things. We'll show you guys all that later.
We're gonna be assembling some furniture tonight.
Then I'm just playing Pokemon while we wait.
We just had to Google how to open this box.
Tell people my tricks.
We could not figure out how to open this box to save our lives. We had to literally Google it. We're trying to mount our TV that he just got. It's literally this huge 65-inch TV. I'm scared. We went to many stores today.
Yep.
To get the things that we need to mount the TV, but we didn't have a list going, and so of course we forgot one more thing. We just don't want to go to the store.
Again.
There's an Ace Hardware like close to us, but
Closed.
they closed, and I don't want to go all the way back to Target, so.
Their holes are in the wall. They're all ready to go. All we have to do is just put them on. Mount the TV, but.
So I think we're gonna build our dining table instead and just do that tomorrow morning. It's his birthday tomorrow, so.
Dining room table will be up and running.
We finished the table.
We did it. We did the thing.
It looks so good.
Yeah. It took a little bit of sweat and tears, but.
We have an absurd amount of cardboard, and we have like tiny trash cans that they give us. This is our
This is it.
trash pile.
Yeah, no, that's not it. I'm working on that in a
We
second.
have to take that all out right now. Here's the table that we built. Some bar stools, but then this is a built-in. This is a pug. She came with it. It has like built-in wine things on the side. And we found these cool glasses, these ones that we got at TJ Maxx. Look at these stools.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a really pretty wood.
Really, really pretty wood.
Not so pretty trash that we have to get out of here so that we can get our couch in the morning. Back in the car.
Why?
Literally to get gravy.
Literally.
It's, what time is it? Like 10 almost?
It's almost 10 o'clock.
And we needed, what is it, a wrench?
We need a socket wrench for the TV because we kind of want to get it mounted. But at the same time, my birthday is tomorrow. We don't want to leave the house in the morning.
Yeah, and we're going to make a special breakfast of like biscuits and gravy, and he's going to have some bacon and potatoes and eggs and stuff, but we don't have any gravy and we don't want to wake up early to go get it, so
here we are.
We're just forcing ourselves to get it now so we can sleep in.
Sleep and relax.
Going all the way to freaking Target because Safeway is not going to have a wrench. Update. We just are leaving Target.
Just leaving it.
Success.
We got everything we wanted.
Yeah.
And more.
And we got your wrench.
Got my wrench.
Got the gravy.
So we should be able to get the TV mounted here pretty quick. Yeah, we're done with stops for the night.
Someone's birthday.
It's my birthday.
We made birthday breakfast.
We made such a big birthday breakfast.
Some orange juice and milk.
Orange juice and milk, bacon, eggs, potatoes,
biscuits and gravy.
Biscuits and gravy.
I just have some eggs, potatoes, and biscuits, and then we made some Pop-Tarts in the toaster. Hello.
Hey.
It's still his birthday.
It's still my birthday.
And we're at the luxury loungers or something.
We're going to the movie theater and they got the luxury lounger so we can kick back and
you literally lay
relax.
down. Huh?
You're excited.
I am excited. Then we're gonna go eat dinner afterwards.
Yeah.
While we're watching Captain Marvel.
I've heard mixed reviews.
Yeah, I'm hoping that it's good.
Yeah, I hope so too. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, but we gotta get in there because we're a little bit late.
Yeah, time to go.
Hey.
Hey.
We're at dinner.
Yeah, we just got done with Captain Marvel. That was pretty good.
It's pretty good. I liked it. It wasn't my favorite, but it was really entertaining.
Yeah, good lead up to Infinity War.
Now we're at the Cheesecake Factory.
Having some dinner.
Got some
A couple Blue Moons. Got the food. Looks so good.
I got salmon and mashed potatoes and broccoli.
Show the salmon. I got bang bang chicken and shrimp.
We're gonna eat now.
Hello. We out here playing games in the old place, hanging out with these
Look at this girl's makeup. Ooh, girl.
She's just at beach.
No. Jane, please don't land on it. Please don't.
No! She's winning like so hard right now.
Yeah, except for I just got her star, so go ahead and give me that. Go ahead and give me all that.
I'm mad about that because Rachel was killing it.
I still have over 100
No, I'm killing
points,
it.
So.
Yeah, she can come back.
This just means we have to play another game.
We're scared.
They think we're only gonna play one game, but we're gonna play 2.
She's like jokes on the beat.
Oh, Joe, you got teleported back.
Try playing with that.
Sucks when I win all the time.
We jumped. I was trying to cut corners, okay? So there's me, PG, and Rachel.
There's Allie.
Allie. Always Allie.
Alright.
It's always
Why are we
Allie.
doing
Happy birthday to me.
PJ won games. And they gave him half a cake. Half.
Just half.
They get the other half
That they bought on Tuesday. We did get cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory.
So we have that and ice cream at home.
Yes.
Pick you up in the dark. Oh.
I'll just turn that on.
Hey, show you more games later, maybe. It's always a gamble when I say that.
Get that set up on the Switch. We'll play some Super Smash Bros.